What's going on, everybody? Max here in the QA1 garage, getting ready to prep for SEMA 2024. Getting some stuff loaded up. Just wanted to showcase a few of our new kits that we will have on display down there in Vegas. As we know, 2024 has been the year of the 4-link for QA1. So starting off to my left here, just wanted to showcase our first and second gen F-body 4-link kit, and also first gen X-body 4-link kit for those popular GM platforms. Notice our cradle here. Also, we have the QA1 9-inch housing. This is going to be available in a factory width as well as a narrowed width for those customers looking to take advantage of all the space in their vehicles with a mini tub kit. Get that big lip, get the fat tire underneath there. These are a great product for you guys looking to upgrade, get rid of those leaf springs in the back of those first and second gens. Transitioning off to my right here, this is our all new third gen F-body suspension kit. Now for you third gen guys and girls, you're aware that this platform has long awaited an all-encompassing kit, right? We've always had to piece together parts from various manufacturers to come up with a full vehicle solution. QA1 recognized this and decided, why not do it? Why not offer that full kit for everybody? So starting up front, obviously got our new Chromastar single and double adjustable struts, and we've got modular engine mounts to accommodate for all the popular drivetrain combinations, LS, LT, small block, and big block. Now these kits are going to be offered with a coilover style strut, or in this case here we can see we've got just our standard strut there, bare with no spring, and our spring is actually mounted inboard on a slider there to allow for a full camber adjustment for you guys that are looking to take advantage of that. Now working our way back on this kit, we've got our transmission cross member, which is also our torque arm mounting location here on this kit. So we're no longer relying on the transmission itself for some strength to carry that load. We've got that tied right into the chassis itself. And then working our way back, we've obviously got our frame braces going into our tubular trailing arms, panhard bar. And it's important to note that this torque arm is going to work with a factory housing as well as all the aftermarket options on there too. So really cool kit, displays very well, we think. So make sure you guys stop by the booth and check that out. We're going to work our way a little further to the right here. Like I said, year of the 4-link, right? So what we have for our DIY customers, guys that love to get out the welder, take matters into their own hands. Maybe there's not a kit that's offered for your specific vehicle. We've got these in a few different configurations, all of them coming with either a single, double adjust, or our mod series shocks. What we have on display on this one is our triangulated 4-link. So for you street guys, pro touring builds, maybe some road course racing or autocross, this is going to be a great option for you. We also have a diagonal link for our drag customers, and soon enough our parallel 4-link will be hitting the market. So we're going to work on loading all this stuff up here, head our way down to Vegas, so you guys make sure to stop by the booth. If you're not able to make it to SEMA, follow along on social media. We'll be posting on Facebook, YouTube, and our new TikTok channel as well. So be sure to check all that out. For more information on all these products, go to QA1.net. And as always, go drive it.